On September 11, 2001, dawn emerged under a clear, brilliant blue sky. Within hours, the United States would suffer its darkest day. Known simply as 9/11, 2,977 men, women, and children were senselessly killed at the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and aboard Flight 93 that crashed in Shanksville, Pennsylvania. Channeling their grief into action, Mary Fetchett and the late Beverly Eckert established Voices of September 11th. Drawing upon her professional background as a clinical social worker and first-hand experience as a mother of a victim, Mary recognized the challenges families faced in accessing information. Through Voices, she was committed to providing the support that families needed and deserved to help them heal and build resilience in their lives. As a victim's advocate, Mary became a subject matter expert in intelligence reform. Working alongside other families, she met with elected officials, held vigils and press conferences, and testified before Congress. Their advocacy efforts championed the establishment of the 9/11 Commission, which led to sweeping intelligence reforms to ensure a safer country. Social work practices and a commitment to providing continuity of care permeate Voices' work. The organization initiated a wide array of programs, including over 200,000 hours of social service support, hundreds of workshops, webinars, trainings, and symposiums. Voices pioneered weekly teleconference support groups that connected 9/11 families living around the world. Voices staff was integral in assisting thousands of responders and survivors suffering from 9/11-related illnesses, applying for medical and mental health treatment through the World Trade Center Health Program. The 9/11 Living Memorial Project was created to help families commemorate the 2,977 lives lost and document stories of survivors. Voices staff provided the emotional support they needed to select photographs and personal mementos to memorialize their loved ones in a meaningful way. Today, the Living Memorial is a core component in the In Memoriam exhibit at the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Voices has become a trusted advocate and is honored to work with its partners to champion victims' services and victims' rights. Through long-standing public-private partnerships, Voices aligns with like-minded professionals and subject matter experts to help heal and build resilience in the lives of those impacted by tragedy. Built on the foundation of a victim-centered approach, Voices Center for Resilience shares lessons learned while providing long-term support for the 9/11 community. As an internationally recognized nonprofit, the organization works collaboratively to help communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from acts of mass violence. Voices' legacy lives on through its steadfast commitment to provide long-term support services, innovative programs, community preparedness training, and an ever-expanding digital resource library. Along with its national and international partners, Voices Center for Resilience strives to promote mental health care and wellness for all those impacted by tragedy in the United States and abroad.